So we're at the Transportation Innovation Expo with Mike here from the Bergstrom company, and I see these units that they have here for air conditioning. Now, is there heating also involved in this,
No.
Mike, or is it just air conditioning?
What we
right?
have on display at this show here, and what we specialize in, is electric air conditioning. So shut your truck off during a reset or any situation where you have an extended wait or sitting time, and our systems, whether they're a rooftop or an integrated system, allow you to have that cab comfort while your truck's not running.
Okay, and these are all battery powered systems,
That's
correct?
correct, yes.
Okay, what's this little unit here that you have running?
So this is our brand new eCool-Park unit. So this is can either be a split system as it's displayed here, where this is an evaporator that can mount in the cab, and you have your external condenser compressor pack on the back, or our Nite system integrates right into the truck's original HVAC system.
Okay, I've seen some of those at a Freightliner dealer where you can, now your system can be ordered right on the OEM truck if you're ordering a brand new truck, right?
We are the only ones in the market that are first fit. So you can order a brand new Freightliner, DTNA, Navistar, International, whatever, right from the factory with our system on it. Now, eCool-Park, this allows you to integrate right into the dash system.
Oh.
So this is something where you can actually be sitting up in the front of the truck and have our system running through the dash as if you were driving down the road, but it's still completely engine off.
Oh wow!
So our Nite systems for the sleeper berth are a standalone system. This integrates right into the factory AC system. So you have two options from Bergstrom with our products.
So order it factory OEM with one system, or add on later with a different system.
They can install this to run the front dash system. So you can still, even from an APU perspective, let's argue and say you have a diesel APU.
Okay.
And you're happy with that, fine. But you still want to be able to shut the truck off, and if you're sitting up in front of the truck for a while, you can actually mount this on the catwalk and actually run your dash system off a battery, and then go back in your sleeper during your reset, and you continue running your diesel APU all you want.
Interesting.
You have two options. But all the while is the whole point is to have the truck off.
I've not seen this before, so I imagine this is considerably more economical than a full-blown APU system.
Correct.
Okay.
Anytime you can shut the truck off, you're saving fuel, which is the big one.
With diesel at $6 a gallon and going higher in California, probably pushing $7 and $8 a gallon.
And our calculator on our website for the eCool-Park, there's an actual calculator. So based on a fleet size, all of the costs that incorporate, you can actually put all that information in, and it'll tell you right away what your savings would be with our systems.
I see you have a small system set up here in this SUV here.
Right.
So
this is a police EMS surveillance application. This is eCool-Park 1.0.
Okay.
So what we saw over at our booth was the 1.5, which goes on the outside of the truck.
Okay.
This is the 1.0 that goes in an Explorer, a Tahoe, Suburban, some of our customers in EMS and police. This is integrated right into the factory dash system. So up front right now, the AC is running. AC is running out of the dash, nice and cold. Two batteries, two lithium batteries. This system will run 8 to 10 hours. Okay. Depending on the load.
Does the trucking system also run on lithium batteries?
It can. Okay. Now, obviously, a lot of the trucking industry uses AGM batteries.
Right. So I've been told, right or wrong, that maybe lithium batteries don't quite hold up to the vibration and the beating they take on a truck. Is that something that they've kind of resolved over the years, or? I'm
going to say yes. Now, Bergstrom, we don't develop and manufacture batteries.
Right.
What we've done is extensive testing because of the life cycle of a Class 8 truck, the extensive vibration and what that truck goes through going down the road. These batteries are Discover batteries. I think on the AGM side, Trojan is a large one, North Star's a large one. The issue with AGM versus lithium is that an AGM battery is really heavy.
Right.
And you can't get all the efficiency power-wise out of a battery. Where lithium batteries also last 10 years, and you have up to 99% of the power of a battery can be used. So your investment in lithium will be over a number of years, while your AGMs may get replaced every 6 months, maybe every year or two, just because the inherent lack of durability from those batteries.
Okay. Now, in addition, I saw you have some solar panels here. How do those incorporate into a system? Right.
So what we have on the roof, and by all means, step on up and show that. Companies like Nussbaum, Penske have our system on the roof fairings, on the hoods. Okay. And what that does is help with charging the battery while the sun's out until the sun goes down, extending your runtime, but it also is a trickle charger. So let me show you a control head. So this is an example right now from our solar. These would be in the truck. Gives you the state of the charge of the battery. And when solar is applied to the panel, it's going to alternate every 7 seconds to tell you how much power the solar panels putting into your batteries. Now, once the batteries reach fully charged, it'll go into trickle mode. It's not going to keep putting power in if it doesn't need it, right? So once this will get in, then you'll have a small green light that'll just kind of flash, pulse. Only when the power is needed for the batteries will solar start generating that and help the runtime, the life of the battery. Because jump starts, they degrade the life of the battery, degrade the battery itself, shorten that overall. Lithium, you don't have to do that.
Oh, okay. Well, very interesting. I think a lot of people are looking for this type of solution right now, with fuel prices being the way they are and prices of everything getting out of control. Especially, you look at a new tri-pack, you're looking at $12,000–$13,000.
Yeah.
So
and you're still running a diesel engine.
Yeah, and you're still running a diesel engine.
You're still having to pay for fuel.
You're still burning, you know, $6 a gallon. Yeah. So, okay, well, thanks for doing this for us today.
Great to meet you.
Telling us about it. And is there any contact information, or where can people find these? Could they contact you? Should they contact the dealer? How do you do that?
So you obviously can contact the dealer for any of our OEM systems. Any information can be found on our website, or anybody can contact me or any of our sales team in all of North America, depending on what region you're in. But there's always a way to get through the dealer, or you can contact Bergstrom directly.
Excellent, excellent. Well, thank you so much, and we'll have fun here at the conference.
Thank you so much, Adam.
Thank you.
Have a good one.